Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You might be wondering, why are we on the floor? What is this? This is my bathroom. It was sort of really fucking expensive and I kinda like this new setup. Hope you do too. So, this is another one of those $3 Barbie dolls. And this is like their Christmas edition. And it's really cheap and I thought, you know what, why not review it? You guys liked the last video, so yeah. I'm trying for like a live voiceover again. Hopefully it's less annoying than the last time. Not like people complained, it's just that I didn't really like it. I thought it was like a bit too forced. Well, so let's get into it. She's a bit different than the last time because now her arms can go out, which gives me a lot of hope for like a better quality. And she sort of got like these fairy wings, and I really like that. But looking at it now, it's basically just a part of the packaging. But I will try to cut it so that the wings stay on her back. And let's see if I can do that. Hopefully. Well, I'm not that confident in my cutting skills. I'm left-handed. These are scissors. It's not going to mix very well. There's a lot of salt. Yay. Oh wow. Her legs are kind of skinny. I'm just gonna do a little snip. And maybe remove this layer. Oh, it's hot glued. Yeah, I should have left it layer on. Now I just have to like cut the ass part. Yeah, this is not a fun position. Just a little snip. Just a little. God damn it. Yeah. There we go. I think, well, it is a little loose, yeah. I don't think it's gonna like work. But honestly, it's kind of a fake advertising. I didn't really look at it in the shop though, so probably a big mistake on my part. However, I think maybe I will stick it in some sort of elastic because that was way too loose. And I need to glue the back back on. Yeah, compared to last time, her legs are solid plastic and they have single little snap. Oh yeah, they have two. So this is like the furthest you can bend her leg. The shoes are the basic ones. They all have the same shoe, different colors. Her foot is a lot more pointed. Yep. Her arms go out, and even though they cost the same amount of money, her plastic feels a lot more sturdy. But honestly, since they are in a cone, a lot of them had their hair really messed up because kids like grab them or they get messed up in transport. I don't know. I just know that it was really messy. She's yeah, and also we have to make sure that none of the earrings are missing if you buy one because they just slide in and they're not held in by anything. The crown has like these plastic tabs holding them in, like on the top. I'm not gonna cut them because it's like really loose and it will just fall off and not be very nice. Well, her hair is like, I think it's a lot fuller than the last time. I'm not seeing any major bald spots. Her face is, wait, I'm gonna zoom in. It's the same face. Surprisingly, I still think it's really cute even though I have like 5 of these. Well, let's take her little dress off and oh my god. Did you see what the fuck? Okay, yeah, I can fix that hole. Definitely would be a lot more disappointing if I was a child. But you know what? Yeah, I can just sew that. I really hope this is like a specific issue with my doll and not like something that's gonna happen to poor kids that are gonna have it for Christmas or whatever. Yeah, it's sort of like snowflakey, Elsa themed. The silver fabric feels really thin, but otherwise it's sewn neatly. So I don't. Oh yeah, there's another hole. Yeah, the silver fabric is really a problem. Probably gonna put her in a different dress. Yeah, the legs are definitely thinner than before, and I hope they would be able to go to the side, but that does not appear to be the case. I don't know, I have like real mixed feelings about it. Because on one hand, this is like solid plastic, but on the other, it's like skinny. So, and as usual, they have like this really big black tattoo on the back. Really hideous, but you know, a little bit of nail polish remover takes it right off. Good as new. It's great. And you might be wondering what's gonna happen now that the review is sort of over. Well, worry not, my friends. I got another one. They had 3 of those, but I just got 2. I like this one because her hair is black and yeah, you can see where her hair like came out of the rubber band. It's messy. Some of them had all of their hair out of the rubber band and that was just really horrible looking. I don't know if they are gonna fix it in the store or what's gonna happen to those dolls because I don't think people are gonna buy them. Same problem that a lot of those Barbie Loves Ocean dolls had. The hair just in the packaging got super messy because it was open and kids would like grab on them and they would just get sort of messed up. She's basically like the same doll except with black hair. But I like her outfit a lot more. Her crown feels a bit more flimsy. Once again, I will not be removing it, but you can see how it's not like holding onto her head in any way other than the little tabs. So if you remove it, it's not gonna stay on her head, like at all. Earrings, easily removable, might fall out in the store, so you really have to check. And as I said, the shoes are literally the same, just in a different color. I personally did not have these colors yet, I think, so I don't really mind. And it's one of the reasons why these dolls are so cheap, because they don't have to worry about different, head molds and skin tones of shoes. It's like basically the same doll every single time with different hair. But I like collecting them because they're cheap, and I think sort of like these cheaper, more budget dolls are adorable, and something about them really reminds me of my childhood and going to the store and wanting to buy them. My parents didn't buy them for me in the store, so now that I collect dolls, I can buy whatever I want. Not very good for my wallet, but you know what? I got my savings, so I think I'm good. Her dress, compared to the other one, I think it's got a lot more detail. She's got like the little belt and whatever this is called. I like the straps. I think it's also nice, and it's gonna hold the dress better on her body than just like this little string strap that's like not really towards her neck. This dress also did not rip, so if you see this in the store, probably buy this one. And just like the other one, she's got a really adorable face. How's the hair? The hair is a little bit more crunchy. The scalp is not painted, so you can see a lot more baldness on her, but that's just because her hair color is dark. Yeah, I did not see a doll that was like misprinted, so all of them are pretty good. Says a lot about Mattel's quality if fake little company can make doll heads that just like don't have messed up eyes or other things wrong with them. But yeah, I think that's gonna be about it. Same little like snappy legs and everything, so I think I'm just gonna say bye. See you later, guys.